Hello, I'm Judith from Homestyle for You, and welcome to the third and final video in the series in which I outline the options for my home staging services. The final option is hands-on staging. With this option, I will have visited the property. I will have made notes and analysed each space, but then I will implement all the recommendations for you. Whether that might be arranging for decorating, decluttering, or purchasing new items to dress the property. The hands-on staging service is perfect for you if you are not living in the property and it's not local to you, so that practically it's difficult for you to undertake work yourself, or if for any other reason you simply prefer to have someone do it for you. If you'd like to find out more about this option, then book a free 30-minute, no obligation, learn more call with me. Details are below. I'm Judith from Homestyle for You, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.